Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Pearl Millet Semeya Upma. A very filling, delicious and a healthy breakfast recipe. Very easy to make and it helps in weight loss. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of Urad Dhal, quarter teaspoon of Channa Dhal, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli chopped and few curry leaves. Give it a good mix until the onions are transparent. Now the onions are well done, so go ahead and add 1 cup of water and quarter teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix. Let's wait until the water comes to a boil. Today I have taken Pearl Millet Semeya. Now the water is nicely boiling, so go ahead and add half cup of Pearl Millet Semeya. Mix it well until the water completely dries up. Now the water has started to reduce. Continue to mix for 2 more minutes. Now the Pearl Millet Semeya Upma is in perfect consistency, so off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Now a delicious and healthy Pearl Millet Semeya Upma is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some chutney and sambar and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and a delicious breakfast recipe. So do try this Pearl Millet Semeya Upma recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.